Hello! So last week I had a lot of fun making some hobbity clothes, and I thought, why not continue the movie themed clothing projects. So this week I'm going to be making a coat based off of Kiki from Kiki's Delivery Service. I'm venturing into the, I don't know, Ghiblicore, cottagecore kind of niche. So I thought that would be a lot of fun. It's obviously not going to be exactly her costume because it's not a cosplay, it's just kind of Ghiblicore. So I have some fabric that I think is a very similar color to her coat, and I have a cute design thought up where it's gonna be vaguely the same shape as her kind of dress that, I don't know, she wears through the whole movie, and it's gonna have some, not bell sleeves, what are the bishop sleeves? It's gonna have some bishop sleeves and some red accents, and I think I'm gonna make some cute GG pockets. So I'm super excited to get started on this. I think, oh, hold on. Yes, baby? Hello, can you say hello? You say hello? No, you want to escape? Look at this cute girl. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, so I thought because I had a lot of fun making the Hobbit clothes video, I thought I would add more to my wardrobe. I do have a lot of winter coats, so I don't really need a coat, but I do like to use up my fabric doing kind of practical things as well as costumes. I haven't done a sketch or anything, I'm just kind of winging it, but I have a lot of cute ideas, so I hope that they turn out really cute, but we'll see. So without further ado, let's get going.
So if you saw my Foundations Revealed videos, I talked about why I use a big popcorn tin for flatlining. In that video, I used the inside of the popcorn tin because I was flatlining from the inside of the garment. This time, it doesn't need to be quite as precise because they're really large pieces. I'm flatlining it from the outside. So I've got the outer layer is this blue layer, and then on the inside I have this black layer. The outer layer is on top this time. It needs to be the larger piece of fabric, so I'm doing it on top of the bucket so that it curves in the right way. I'm also going to be machine stitching this rather than hand stitching it because it's a jacket, it's not like a tight fitting dress, and we take shortcuts where we can. Hi.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a really good time making this coat and it came together pretty quickly, so I'm very pleased with it. I guess it could be, oh, okay, bye-bye. I think that it could be a little bit wider at the bottom. I could have flared it out a little bit more, but I also was running out of fabric, so I don't know that I would physically have been able to do that. Just in the future, if I use this pattern, I'll probably flare it out at the bottom a little bit more. The coat that I took the pattern off of only goes about here on me, so it was never really meant to like flare out so much. It is just a really short coat. Also, if you want to see how I take patterns off of clothing, you can check out this video right here. I go through pretty in depth on how I just use a tracing wheel and some paper to trace out patterns from existing clothing that I already own. That's a different video, not this one. I had a good time. I think it turned out really cute. I'm very pleased with it. I'm especially pleased with these cute little pockets here. Oops. You see them? My little Gigi pockets. The lining is kind of silly. I think that it's not the best choice of lining, but it was the only fabric that I had that was like slippery enough to be a coat lining and that I also had a whole lot of. While this coat came together really quickly, it took up a lot of fabric, especially because the whole thing needed to be flat-lined as well. Obviously that takes up like double the fabric. The blue fabric was just kind of too thin to be a coat on its own, so I did end up flat-lining the whole thing, which makes it a very good coat weight now, and I think it'll be super warm in the winter, which is ending now. But that's okay. I'll be able to wear it next winter, and yeah. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you saw anything that was useful or you want to criticize me in any way, please feel free to do so in the comments. It won't hurt my feelings. I'm always happy to have constructive criticism, and I like when people point out things that I might have missed. So please feel free to do that. And if you want to see more in the future, please stick around and subscribe. Cool. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Look at this cute girl. Look at this cute girl. This is my Gigi, but she's definitely a little too rowdy to be my Gigi. She likes to go and run around and chase things more than she likes to give me life advice on my magic skills. Like that. Okay. Alright.